On this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make deposit in the most fastest and safest way to make deposit on your deriv account. So first of all, you need to log in your account. You need to log in your deriv account. Then you click on this icon right here. Click on Cashier. Then we have deposit, we have withdrawal, we have payment agent. So let me start first with the deposit. When you click on deposit, you wait for it to load. There are different options. There are card options, there are cryptocurrency options. You understand? So for you to deposit right here, there are deposit via payment method, payment agent. So let's click on this first one. You can see all the method that you can use. So you can definitely deposit with bank transfer. So all you need to do is to click on it and you put the amount that you want to deposit and you click on next. Click on continue. You can see $10 is 60,995. You understand? So you put your NIN number and you click on next to make payment. So you make sure that you don't use third party. Make sure the name of your deriv is the same with the name that you want to use to make the payment. So let me go back. That is our first method to deposit. Then let me show another method, the one that I mainly use. Click on Cashier again. Then I click on payment agent. So I'm going to recommend a particular agent for you guys that I mainly use. Is legit. I've used it for several years and it's very legit and reliable. So you can search it right here, AA. This is the guy, AA Achiever. So what you need to do now is to collect this WhatsApp contact and you chat him up. It's going to give you the rate. You send the money to him. There is a group here too you can join. You send the money to him, then you send him your CRO. Let me show you what is CRO. You click on this little icon at the top. So this is your CRO right here. So you send him your CRO. Then after sending your CRO, it's going to credit you with the amount of dollar that you purchased. Then you can also, his name is also Go Foreign. Yeah, it's the same guy. You can use this or the other one that I just showed. So that is that for that. And let me get everything clear to you guys. The method that you use to deposit, that is the same method you are going to use to withdraw. So if you deposit through payment agent, once you want to make any withdrawal, you go to this spot, you click on withdrawal, you will receive a link in your email. You copy the link and process the withdrawal. You transfer the dollar to the agent, then it's going to give you a rate and it's going to pay you. So that's how deposit and withdrawal works on deriv. So those are one of the fastest and safest way you can use to deposit money here in Nigeria. So thank you guys.